Welcome to Road Closed. This was April 2nd, 2025. Our plan was to visit Cades Cove and Clingman's Dome. However, Mother Nature had other plans. Today is April 2nd, and we are headed to Cades Cove. Still in search of a bear. Hopefully we'll have some luck today. After Cades Cove, we'll probably head to that dome thing. Clingman's Dome. The point out there starts with the letter K. I forgot. It's not Kodak, but we'll see that later. But right now, we're looking for a bear. The horses are out. It's windy. It's a windy day, but there is not all that fog like yesterday. There's definitely clouds up there on the mountain though. Look up there. Let's go around. There. Passed by a bike. He's going fast. We're gonna try Hyatt Lane. This is where the bear hang out. Oh my gosh, there's a turkey right there. This person's taking a picture of a turkey. You can rent bikes at the camp store at the beginning of Cades Cove Scenic Loop. During the summer season, they usually, or have in the past, closed the loop to cars for walkers, hikers, bikers on Wednesdays. However, at the camp store, they told us that they have not gotten permission from the park this year as of today. So they're not sure they're going to be able to do it this summer. Dead crow decoy. Ew. Alright, never heard of that one. I don't remember the name of this visitor center. Just Cades Cove, maybe? Cades Cove. Oh, yeah. Passport stamps. Oh, that's where we're going. Okay, cool. Kuohi? And there's that book we bought. An early mountain community. Bob was here. Who's Bob? Oh, yeah. No vandalism. Alright. Off to find a bear, and if we don't find a bear, we're going to Clingman. Laurel Falls is closed for at least 12 months as the park is improving the trail and the parking area. Close. 441 was closed. As we left Cades Cove to go to Clingman's Dome, the traffic started getting terrible around the Sugarlands Visitor Center, and we saw that the road was closed and everyone had to turn around. There were high winds, I guess 70 mile an hour gusts, and basically the whole center of the park was closed. I don't think we're going to be able to go to Clingman's Dome today. The road is closed due to high winds, so I don't know if it's even going to open again later on today. So another tip is always have your books and your maps with you, and have a plan B and a plan C. I think we might be able to do another trail. There's a Grotto Falls, which is 2.6 miles round trip outside of Gatlinburg. That's a choice. There's the Sugarlands. Oh, wait, no. There's Grotto Falls, or there's another one that is, what does it say? Bud Oval something. And it was only 0.75 miles. But the guy in this book, Hiking Great Smoky Mountains National Park, says it is underrated and it's one of the best hikes in the park that doesn't get enough attention. It's Noah Bud Oval Nature Trail, and it's right outside of Gatlinburg. So we can try that and then try to come back and look for a bear since we didn't find one at Cades Cove later. Try to do Clingman's Dome, whatever that's called, the K word, later. Or go to Margaritaville, Pigeon Forge. What do you want to do?
That's all I guess. Okay.
So do you want to do the nature trail, 0.75 mile round trip loop day hike? Sounds pretty easy.
We can try it.
We'll see if we can get there. But first, we'll go back and see if the road's open again.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to be. Oh, they may have even closed it further up from people even coming in because there's no traffic coming in anymore.
That's true.
Okay, we'll check it out. On the way to Ogle Nature Trail, we saw a bear. I see him, but he's behind the trees. Not like me. Oh my gosh. There's a bear right there. First, we passed him. Then we turned around and saw him on the other side of the road, parked our car, and then hiked back up that little hill. Well, it was kind of big. Anyway, and we saw him cross the road and climb straight up that mountain. Plan C or D, whatever it is. It looks like we're headed to Margaritaville. We're at the island, is it? And we saw a bear. There's no parking at the places we wanted to go hiking. We were there for a bit, trying to go around and around. So, we're here. What do you have to say?
The reason why there's no parking is they closed half of the park due to high winds. So there's only half a park open, and so everybody went to that half, and so all the parking was taken up in all the different places where you might want to walk or hike.
I know, the park is closed except for Cades Cove. And there's a river walk here too, where you can walk all through the back here and take your bike that we just saw. River Walk runs along the Little Pigeon River. It's about 6 miles long for people that want to walk or bike. And I didn't see any at this time, but they say people go fishing there as well for bass and trout. We decided to go to Margaritaville for margaritas and some snacks. Oh, there's a map up there. We went with 2 frozen margaritas and a shot of tequila. Ready? Cheers. Seeing a bear. So we ordered onion rings and lava shrimp. So we'll see how they are. It's good. The margaritas are good. 3. You'll get it. After Margaritaville, we did a little exploring of the island. The parking is free. There are several places to eat. You can do a tasting at Old Smoky Moonshine, or just sit and relax in the rocking chairs and watch the ducks and the fountains. Every 30 minutes, there's a fountain show that goes on. There's music, and the fountains go up and dance to the music. There's also rides, and I don't know, there's a lot of things to do there. You can smell it. You smell it? It's right there. Even though we were disappointed about the weather, we still had a great time in the Great Smoky Mountains. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.